Welcome WBP stars, I'm Michael from the Kroft, and today we're going to present our third course. It's pear, cooked in homemade soy sauce. We cook it for 3 days in 3 different kind of stadiums. Put in a dryer to dehydrate it, to get it more like a meaty texture. Then we're going to start plating. We start off with some black garlic gel. Some puff buckwheat. Then we torch the pear, give it this little more meaty flavor, like it's barbecued almost. And we serve it with a sauce of fermented tomato. We ferment the tomato for 10 days. It's buttermilk, lemon verbena and fermented tomato. That's the sauce. This is our vegetarian dish. Thank you for watching.